Another example of a front clip. Today we have a Genesis G70. This one is actually headed overseas. Customer sending someone in to pick it up. They did a wire transfer, which is about the only way we're going to execute a sale like that. And they're going to send in a flatbed to pick this one up. It's not perfect, but it's awful close. Apologize, I'm limited on space to get around things today, so my filming is not the best, but this is a good example of a Genesis front clip. So hood, fenders, headlights, bumper, grills, splash shields, fender liners, rad condenser fans will get you under the hood here. And a whole lot of goodies under the hood. Cowl cover, hood insulator, washer bottle, coolant bottle. There's a lot left behind as far as things that aren't typically left behind. I see a transcooler. There's a pump over there. A lot of wires and cabling. But rad condenser fans are all there. There's a lot of extras in this one. This guy's getting pretty lucky. But if you have a question, please don't assume. Always ask. Be happy to answer a specific question if you have it. But again, this one is in the pickup stage. For shipping it, whole different animal. Huge cost and a great amount of time is put forth in shipping. So if you need it shipped, we can do it, but you would have to ask and we'd have to figure out the logistics and the costs. Happy to help. Give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. Find me on all the social sites, JaredWeberBros. You can also find me, JaredWeberBros@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.